Hey guys, welcome to MS Excel tutorial. In today's string functions, I'm going to cover the trim function. Trim function, again, a very useful function which is used for removing the leading and the trailing blank spaces. It also helps to remove extra blank spaces in between the words in a string, thereby keeping only a single blank space. Let me show you with the help of an example here. Now you see here the example string, this is Sparta, and I have intentionally pushed in a lot of blank spaces here so that you can visualize how the trim function works. So let me write the trim function. This is the syntax equals trim, and it requires only the text here. So I give the reference of that text I9 and then I close the parenthesis. So with this, you see this is Sparta, this particular string will be properly put across here. I press enter and here you go. So with this, I end up the trim function. Thank you.